Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you guys are here with me today. In today's video, we are going to be doing a review, demo, and wear test on the new Tarte Face Tape Foundation. I am so excited. I was on the edge of my seat to try out this foundation, and I am so excited to share my thoughts on this product with you guys. We all know how the first launch went for the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation, but Tarte is giving it another go, so we're gonna see if this is really good. Is this even better than the first launch of the Shape Tape Foundation? We're gonna put it to the test. 8-hour wear test today, you guys. It's gonna be really good. I'm feeling it. I'm very excited. So if you are ready to hear my thoughts and everything else that you need to know about this new foundation, definitely keep on watching and we will get to blending. All right, I'm so excited to dive in. So this is officially the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. Now, we all know how this last launch went. It was a big disaster. The shade range was barely there. It wasn't even there, honestly. But they have relaunched this product. They are now coming out with 50 shades, which is very impressive. To give a little bit of comparison, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation has 40 shades, and the Fenty Foundation has 50 shades in its line. And so Tarte coming out with 50, pretty impressive. I feel like that's something they probably should have done in the first place, but hopefully this foundation will kind of redeem itself and redeem that whole situation. But anyways, I purchased this from Ulta. This is gonna be an Ulta exclusive. It's not gonna be sold at Sephora, but they do sell it on Tarte.com. I did purchase it for $39. This is gonna come with 1.01 fluid ounces. 1 fluid ounce is typical for your general foundation, so getting a good amount of product here. So basically, we are gonna read a little bit of information about the product. So on the side, it says that it's full coverage. It has a flawless, natural matte finish and an infinite likes. All right, so we're gonna hop on over to the Tarte website and read a little bit about the product. So, inspired by our iconic Shape Tape Concealer, this long-wearing full coverage foundation mattifies, hydrates, and brightens. Inspired by our iconic Shape Tape Concealer, this long-wearing full-coverage foundation mattifies, hydrates, and brightens your appearance. We've bottled up your skin-smoothing filters, selfie settings, and Instagram feedback to create the foundation of your dreams. Plus, this baby comes in 50 shades with 5 undertones. What it does: long-wearing, full coverage with the natural matte finish, transfer-proof, waterproof, and sweat-proof to keep you flawless through work and play. Snow mushroom extract, apple fruit extract, and hyaluronic acid hydrate and brighten appearance. Pair with the Shape Tape Contour Concealer for double the perfection. All right, so it looks like this is gonna, it's supposed to be transfer-proof, sweat-proof, waterproof, long-wearing full coverage, and a natural matte finish. Now, I do have normal to dry skin. It doesn't ever get too terribly dry, but it does get dry sometimes. So I'm hoping that this won't be too mattifying and it won't suck the life out of my skin. I did already moisturize. I'm gonna be doing the normal routine that I normally do as if I was applying my go-to foundation. I am going to go in and prime with my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. This isn't gonna alter the finish of foundation. It's just gonna keep my skin hydrated since it is feeling a bit dry. Let's go ahead and get into it. The packaging, very, very nice. It seems like on this round they decided to not go with the doe foot applicator. Here is a close-up of it. It just says Tarte Face Tape Foundation, and then we can see that we have a pump, which is very, very convenient. I'm definitely a fan of the pump. I did purchase the shade Fair Light Sand. I didn't have any trouble finding my shade. I probably swatched one other shade and then this one, so 2 shades total, and I was able to find my shade very quickly. Let's go ahead and get into this. I'm not going to apply too much. Let's go with about half a pump, and we'll kind of see where that gets us. We'll go in with another half. Awesome. All right, so as usual, I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender. Like I said, we're not gonna do anything different than what I normally do with any other foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and pat this in. Okay, so here's a close-up. We did one layer. I believe I used a total of 1 pump of foundation, and it got a lot covered. It's definitely a pigmented formula, just like the concealer. Definitely feeling it. Doesn't feel heavy whatsoever. I would say that I do have about full coverage. I do think that I need a little bit more product on the forehead, but as far as the cheek area, I feel like I am good to go. But yeah, we're just gonna blend this out and I think we're good to go. Definitely impressed by the amount of coverage that I got just by 1 pump. So we basically pretty much got the whole face covered by about a little bit over 1 pump of product, which is amazing. But yeah, full coverage. I like the shade so far. Matches me very well. We're getting good coverage. So since I just blended out the foundation, I'm gonna count that as the start of this wear test. It's 12:19 in the afternoon right now, so we're gonna start it there. I am going to be using, of course, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm in the shade Fairlight Neutral. I thought that I would apply this on camera just to show you guys how it actually works with the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this really quick. Love me some Shape Tape, definitely one of my favorite concealers of all time. I'm gonna bring you guys in just to take a look at how the concealer blended on top of the foundation. It blended out beautifully. I tell you, my face, like the complexion just looks perfect. I'm getting that full coverage, but it's not feeling cakey. It's not looking cakey either. Definitely a fan. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll check back in with you guys. All right guys, I am back. I still have to do my hair. It's a hot mess, but I just wanted to do a quick final check-in until I do my last check-in for the day. So I really love it. All of the products like my bronzer, highlighter, everything blended out on top of the foundation beautifully. I love the soft matte finish. It doesn't seem too drying, doesn't look too cakey, so I'm really liking it. I'm getting that full beautiful coverage, so I'm definitely loving this right now. We'll see if it lasts throughout the day. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish off throughout the day. I have work, so I'll be doing that, but at the end of the day, I will be in to give you guys a final check-in as far as how the foundation is holding up, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, it is 8:45. I am so tired. Honestly, I had a great day at work. I'm ready to take my makeup off and just chill, but I wanted to come here really quick and give you guys my final thoughts on the foundation. So I did have work, so I was walking around, running around and doing stuff. So I am so impressed by how well this foundation stayed. It looks so fresh. It didn't cake up, and that's something that I tend to experience with full coverage foundations. Basically, the longer that I wear the foundation throughout the day, the cakier it gets. Really strange, but I feel like the formula just kind of gathers and together, and it's just not a cute look. But this stayed on so well. I even wore glasses, and if you guys wear glasses, you know that it really puts a big crease in your foundation, and it barely even put a crease, like barely. I don't feel that it actually sucked the moisture out of my skin. It just has that perfect matte finish where it's gonna make your skin look beautiful, airbrushed, and just overall perfect, but it's not going to dry out your skin and pull all the moisture out. Tarte really did a great job with this foundation. I feel like they definitely redeemed themselves from the first round of the launch of the Shape Tape foundation, but they did an amazing job. The product performed beautifully. The shade is perfect. This is just an amazing foundation, and for wearing it for 8 hours, I am just so impressed by how it performed. So that is going to conclude this review and wear test of the new Tarte Face Tape Foundation. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, are you going to try this out? Do you want to try this out? Let me know what your plan is and if you plan on purchasing this. I hope that this video was helpful. Please make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the future videos I'll be uploading on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day and a great rest of your week. Jesus loves you so very much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!